Welcome back to Focal Library Presents a Library Access. So fall is here. That means it's time for sweaters, pumpkin spice, changing of the leaves, and one of my personal favorites, decorating for the season. If DIY or do-it-yourself projects is your thing, check out our visit to Cleveland Avenue Library as we made some homemade fall lanterns with items you could pick up at your local dollar store.
Hi, my name is Radia Abdul Rahim, Youth Services Librarian at the Cleveland Avenue branch, and today we're doing a children's craft celebrating the beginning of fall, happening next week. It's a mason jar craft. It's called a mason jar luminary, and we basically have some tissue paper and some glue. We're going to paste it on the mason jar, nice fall colors, and they can make it as colorful as they like. And then we have a nice little LED light in the inside to glow up the mason jar. And it's just a fun little craft for the children. And we also have some fall books here for them to check out as well. Stay tuned. We have more children's programs coming up for the littles here at the Cleveland Avenue branch, so stay tuned.
So Halloween is right around the corner, and Fulton County Library System is offering plenty Halloween-inspired activities for the whole family, including story times, take-home crafts, spooky movies, and even an adult Halloween tie-dye program. Come learn how to make your own tie-dye t-shirt for Halloween with Brianna from the Alpharetta Library.
Hi, I'm Brianna and I work at the Alpharetta Library. We are offering a ton of programs for the month of October that are Halloween themed, including Halloween adult tie-dye. If you like tie-dye or are curious about tie-dyeing, this is the class for you. We'll teach you how to do reverse tie-dye techniques where you can take a black shirt and learn how to dye it, and you'll also learn how to make some really cool Halloween themed designs on just your white shirt. If you're interested in this program, you can learn more at fulcolibrary.org, also register online, or you can always call the branch. We are always happy to help you, and also we offer a ton of programs and of course tie-dye programs in the future. So keep an eye out on some fun things coming along, and we hope to see you there.
As mentioned earlier, spooky season is upon us, so it's time to join our Hallow Read reading challenge. Halloween is a holiday full of merrymaking, magic, and mischief. Make sure to visit at fultoncounty.beanstack.org to log your reading and activities to earn badges all season. If you're looking for a few Halloween-themed books to get you started, check out a few of our recommendations here.
Hi, this is Miss Randolph, and I am coming to you with a book review called Curious George by H.A. Ray. This book is about Curious George out in Africa jungle, and he is discovered by the man with the big yellow hat. One day he's walking through the forest and he discovers this cute little monkey that is eating some bananas. So by the end of the trip, he decides, you know what? I think you'll love it in the big city. So let's go ahead and get you to the big city. So as you will see in Curious George, he will enjoy many adventures, and come on to the library and pick up the book.
Hi, I am coming to you from the Fulton County Library System. I don't know how you like to celebrate Halloween. I like to do it with decor. We got lights, $1.25 sweater, and a shirt. It says it's tricky, tricky, tricky. I like clothing and headbands. Martha Stewart likes some other things also, so let's see what she likes. This book right here is called Halloween Delicious Tricks, Wicked Treats for Your Scariest Halloween Ever. It's not so scary, it's just really, really cool. She has everything you need in this book. Costumes, check. Face painting, check. Recipes, double check. And DIY decor, oh my goodness. It's not expensive. It's not super hard, and anybody can do this. One of my favorite things is actually on the back of this book. It's like kind of self-contained candy, and it's cute. You pick it up, you pass it out. This book, again, can be found at any one of our public libraries at Fulton County. Check this out, check us out, and have a great Halloween. Thank you.